Hi, in this video I will show you how to view the insights of the Instagram post. So process is pretty simple. So first of all you have to open your Instagram mobile application and you have to log into your account. Once you will log into your account, you have to go to your profile from the right bottom. Once you will tap on it, you will see your profile is here. Now you have to select the one post you want to see the insights. So I have only one post right now here, so I simply tap on it and you will see view insight option is on the left bottom of the post is appear. Simply you have to tap on it and new page will appear. So here you will see all the insights like hearts, comments, share, save, interactions, discovery, profile visits, impressions, follow by this post. So if you don't get this option here, simply you have to go to the professional dashboard to view the insight, or you have to convert your simple account to the business account or the professional account to view the insights. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.